Imagine you're living 100,000 years ago. No deodorant, no soap, no perfume, just sweat, smoke, dirt, and one very curious caveman. At some point, someone actually leaned in and sniffed another person's armpit. Why? As ridiculous as it sounds, it may have been one of the smartest things early humans ever did. Humans produce chemicals called body odors, and while they're not magical love potions, they can reveal a surprising amount. Health, stress, fear, even whether someone is familiar or completely foreign. Long before language became complex, your nose could do a lot of the talking. Scientists think our ancestors relied on smell far more than we do today. Mothers recognize babies by scent. Friends can often identify each other's worn shirts. Even modern experiments show people can unconsciously react to another person's body odor. So who was the first person to sniff an armpit? Nobody knows. There's no cave painting that says, "Day 42, Greg smelled Bob." But imagine being the second person. You're standing there, watching your friend bury his face in someone's sweaty armpit, and somehow deciding, you know what? I'll try it too. That bizarre moment may have helped humans judge trust, health, and relationships long before anyone invented words like chemistry. So the next time someone says, "Trust your instincts," remember, your nose has been doing exactly that for tens of thousands of years.